I wanted this light in the background of my videos, so let's set it up today. So I'm gonna install this and I'm gonna put a smart bulb inside this so that I can change the color of the light as and when I want. So let's start it up. It should be pretty easy with 3 legs and 1 hood. So let's get it going. And this is the Ikea lamp, by the way. This came from Ikea. This is the brand. It's not very costly. It has a regular E26 bulb holder and the color is beige. So let's get started. That's all the supplies. This comes with 3 legs, the middle pole that will be holding the holder, the lamp, the cover, 2 rings that will go in this, one on the above side which is this one, and one on the lower side which is this ring. This will pass through the stick, and then here we have 3 screws to secure these 3 legs, as you can see here. So you connect 3 legs, pass through the 4th leg, and then make this tight, the thread here. And then once that's done, you connect the bottom part, and this is the big screw for this one to secure this. This screw, which is a tiny one, which has a small hole here. It took me a while to find this hole. So this will secure the leg here in between. So this is where you put the tiny screw there. This is the extra space to secure the cable, extra cable. And then you just roll over these 2 discs. This plate has these locks where you connect the metal disc, and then just roll it over, put it on the stick. First this roll is complete, put it on the stick, take the cap off. This is the cap, right? So you just roll it away, put the disc first and then put it back, and then you're all set. This is your lamp. Put the disc finally back, put this cover over, and this is the ready product. So let me start doing it and I'll show you once it's ready. Alright, so let's get started. We got the 3 legs. We'll go in here. Leg number 2 and leg 3. And that's your base ready. Now let's secure them with the screws. Three legs done. Let's put in the 4th one from here. All you have to do is just slide it in, and at whatever height you want, you just make it tight. Right? So I'm just going to choose a random height right now, and just make sure that the hole is outside. Extra hole here, but it's there. Next is this part to secure your cable. So just make sure the side is outward, and I don't know which one is up and which is down. This looks plain, so I'll use this as the upside and put the screw from here, and let's connect it. And don't forget this tiny screw to be connected over here. Now the main part, which is this, so make this lie flat. And this is the bottom ring and this is the top ring. So let's go ahead and install them. All you have to do is push it down. 1. We'll push it down on this side as well. And the final end has a velcro, so make sure you put the velcro properly and connect it nicely. So that's ready. Now to show you correctly, first take this out, then put this on, right, and then put this back on. And that's it. Your lamp is ready to use. Let's test it. So that's your final result. Cable connected, wrapped around here, passed through here, the lamp connected, and this is the final result. Let's change the color of the lamp. You can try different color combinations, and it's pretty bright here. Let me change the background color to dark. So that's how it looks with different color combinations. Yeah, you can keep playing around with your background colors and it will look pretty better even in a dark night. But that's what the final result is. And if you don't want a smart light or something, you can also use this manual button. So you can manually control it as well. This should work like normal lamp. You can put any E26 socket bulb and it should work fine. Last time I got the studio style lamp from Ikea. This is called Lauters and I liked it. This time I've got the new lamp from Ikea. This looks something like this. It has a big holder on the top and a leg here. So let's go ahead and assemble it. Let's see how it looks. Oh, that looks like a big one. That is the main heart of the lamp. This is how amazing it looks just by the look. So let's see what the end result is. So you got the lamp and the legs and the bottom, right? So probably this is the base and this is the leg and this is the bulb. So this is what I got in the setup. You have the lamp, the stand and a pole. So the lamp has this cover. Pretty straightforward setup. Here you connect the base and the pole. The pole has the threads at the bottom. So this will just thread it in. The pole size is adjustable, so you loosen this up and then you reduce the pole size or increase the pole size as needed. Take this screw out, right? This will come off and this will go here. Can pass through the pole and put the screw back from here. Open this screw, take the lamp cover off, install the bulb, put the lamp cover back in, and the button to turn it on and to turn it off is at the back. This is where you turn it on and turn it off, and that's pretty much it. So let me quickly set it up in a minute. Well, the lamp is ready. The base is connected to the pole. All the cable is wrapped around in the hooks behind, and try to make sure it's well hidden behind. You will have to adjust the cable because when you change the head of the lamp to up to down, you need the extra cable length to go up and down, and if you pull it down it will go up. So yeah, make sure to adjust it at the right face. You can also make these settings tight once you finalize the face. Like I want to face it down, so I'll make it tight on both the sides, and that's my final setup. And then accordingly I'll pull the cable and tuck the remaining one in here, and the pole height can be adjusted as needed. So that's the final result. You can put a smart lamp or you can just control it from behind, turn it off, turn it on, or if you want to keep it a smart light like me and just change the colors like so. That's how you change colors. Yeah, the overall setup looks good. I'm going to use it in my studio. I can face it towards me or I can make it face towards the wall, and this will also give me a nice ambience. So let's see how I use both these lamps, and you will see them in my upcoming videos. So if you haven't already subscribed, now is the time. Wow, now that setup looks amazing, right? I have had one lamp, second lamp, third and fourth one, filling in all my background. So let's start making more videos now and let's have some talking.